Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry rice with chicken. Prep rice, diced chicken, veggies, and sauces so everything cooks fast. Heat a wok or large pan until very hot, then cook chicken in batches to avoid crowding. Add vegetables and rice, make a well for soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil to blend. Finish with scallions and a squeeze of lime for bright flavor. Gather simple ingredients for a balanced stir-fry rice meal. Use cooked day-old rice for the best texture and less clumping. Choose boneless chicken thighs or breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Pick colorful vegetables like bell pepper, carrot, peas, and onion to boost flavor and nutrients. Keep sauces nearby: soy sauce, oyster sauce, and toasted sesame oil. Have scallions and lime ready to finish with fresh brightness. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy comfortable kitchen work, consider Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty for long days on your feet. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making simple recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals on gear and pantry staples. These socks are tough, cushioned, and perfect for standing at the stove during long stir-fry sessions. Now let's get back to the video. Start by seasoning chicken with salt and pepper, then quickly sear until golden and just cooked. Push chicken aside or remove, then stir-fry harder vegetables first like carrots and peppers until tender crisp. Add day-old rice and cooked chicken, tossing to combine while breaking up any clumps. Pour sauces into a small well in the pan so they caramelize slightly before mixing. Finish with scallions and a drizzle of sesame oil for aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.